my channel. In this video, we are going to know some interesting facts about polar bear. Fact number 1. International Polar Bear Day is held on February 27th every year. Fact number 2. Latin word of polar bear is Urus maritunus. This translated is Urus meaning is bear and maritunus means sea, meaning of sea maritime. Fact number 3. These beautiful bears can be found on the continent of North America and Eurasia, mostly around the north of Arctic Circle, although some polar bears have been spotted traveling as far south as Alaska and Hudson's Bay, Canada. Fact number 4. Although they have been known to travel as far inland as 124 miles, about 200 kilometers from the shoreline, they mostly live close to or on the ice during winter months. Fact number 5. As the season changes and ice melts, they will migrate within their individual home range. They will often range between 50,000 square miles to 135,000 square miles, 129,499 square kilometers to 349,648 square kilometers. Fact number 6. An average polar bear can travel more than 1800 miles, 2896 kilometers in a year, migrating to follow a food supply. Fact number 7. When traveling across the ice, polar bears can jump over ice cracks as wide as 19 feet, 5.8 meters. I think so. Fact number 8. Polar bears are the only bears species to be considered marine mammals, as they spend most their times on sea ice. Fact number 9. Their skin is actually black. The only reason why they appear white is because their fur is translucent and reflects the light. Them appear white. Fact number 10. They have hairy feet, but not they just to keep them warm. The bottom of their paws are covered with small hairs to help them have traction on the ice. Fact number 11. When in water, polar bears can reach swimming speeds up to 6 miles per hour, 9.6 kilometer per hour. Fact number 12. Polar bears can swim continuously for hours and sometimes even days. Most people would think they is impossible if you aren't a fish, but because they have huge paws, they are able to use them as paddles, and they hold their feet up like rudders to steer. This allows them to save energy, which means they can swim for longer without tiring. Fact number 13. Although they spend out half their time hunting for food, they are rarely successful. Quite often, a catch is less than 2% successful. Fact number 14. Their main prey consists of seals and bearded seals, as well as smaller animals like birds. When needed, they will also scavenge carcasses, eggs, and vegetation. Fact number 15. Polar bears are considered to be hypercarnivorous, which means they have a diet that consists of more than 70% meat. Fact number 16. Have you heard a rural bear or PG bear? They were discovered after genetic testing in 2006 and are the nicknames of grizzly bears. polar bears hybrids. Fact number 17. Fact number 17. These Goral grizzly bears are only birthed by polar bears and grow up living like a polar bear, but they are have brown fur. Only the difference is they have brown fur. Okay. Fact number 18. According to 2019 survey, the population of wild polar bears stands at around 26,000 and is divided into 19 subpopulations. Unfortunately, only one of these subpopulations is on the incline. Five populations are stable and four are decline, and age for the remaining nine it is uncertain. Fact number 19. On average, male polar bears can weigh up to the same height weight as 10 men. 10 men. Okay. That's around 1764 pounds, 800 kgs. Fact number 20. They can grow to around 9.8 feet, 3 meters long, making them the largest land carnivorous in the world. Fact number 21. Female polar bears are around half the size of male polar bears. Fact number 22. Polar bears have an extremely strong sense of smell and therefore can smell their prey up to 0.6 miles, 1 kilometer away. They use these scents to locate the seal breathing holes in the ice. Fact number 23. Polar bears will track down sea holes and wade by them until the seals rise out of them to breathe and then attack them. This is also known as still hunting. Fact number 24. Polar bears can also detect if a seal is in the water even if there is 2-3 foot of snow or tip of on the top of ice. Fact number 25. There are so speedy when they need to be, as well as still hunting. They can attack prey from about 50 to 100 feet, 15 to 30 meters away, and can build up speeds to about 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour. Fact number 26. Sadly, polar bears were one of the first species to become threatened by climate change, and they are expected to decline by 30% by the year 2050. Fact number 27. There are many ways to track animals using modern technology, but in recent years it has been discovered by WWF that you can retrieve a polar bear's DNA from its footprints in the snow with only a few scopes. Poison DNA specialist scientists have found a way to that you can isolate its DNA from the snow. Fact number 28. Other than polar bears, they are pregnant. They are the only big species of bear that does not hibernate during the winter. Sometimes, if it is particularly cold, they will build dens and enter temporarily hibernation. This is also known as carnivore lethargy. Fact number 29 and the last fact of this video. Finally, the largest polar bears ever on the record weighs a whopping 2209 pounds, 1002 kilos, and was found in northwestern Alaska in 1960. So guys, polar bears are a unique species of bear and have adapted in many ways to be able to survive in their habitat. Unfortunately, with the global warming and climate change it is having a negative effect on polar bear, and they could become an extinct animal a lot sooner than we had hoped. But with incredible conservation projects, there are some areas where polar bears population are on the rise. With everyone's efforts to help save the polar bears. This much for today, guys. If you like this video, just hit a like button and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon if you have didn't did it. So we will meet you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.